Hello there. We are midway through the month of June. It's been pretty disappointing so far, hasn't it? Rather cool and showery at times. And that is partly to do with the position of the jet stream. Now, if we take a look at where the jet stream is sitting at the moment, it illustrates the point. We've always been to the north of the jet, the cooler side of the jet. And as the jet stream dips down here, we see an area of low pressure forming. And it's this low pressure that has the potential to bring some heavy rain to the Channel Isles and maybe across the Kent coast during the early hours of Tuesday morning. So something to watch out for as we go through the day on Tuesday. That may well drift up towards the Essex coast as well, and it'll certainly bring more cloud across the southeast in comparison to Monday. Further north of that, sunny spells and a few scattered showers, but some of those showers could still be heavy with the odd rumble of thunder, and temperatures still a little disappointing. To the north, we're looking at around 12 to 17 degrees. Further south, 19 to 21 at the very best. Now, as we move out of Tuesday, most of those showers should fade away and that rain pulls off to the near continent. So a relatively quieter story here. We've got this ridge of high pressure building, quietening things down quite nicely as we go into Wednesday. And gradually the wind direction is going to change from that nagging northerly that we've seen. So on Wednesday, it's going to be a case of sunny spells for many. We will be chasing cloud amounts around. Winds are light, and into the far northwest, there's the risk of a little more cloud. A few scattered showers to the western and the northern Isles. Here, 14 to 19 degrees the high, 18 to 21 further south. Now, the high is still with us, but it's allowing these weather fronts to topple across the high. So that means the potential for more showers to develop, but it will take its time in doing so. So on Thursday, clouding over from the northwest, some showery outbreaks of rain eventually into Northern Ireland and northwest Scotland by the end of the day. But ahead of it, with that wind direction changing to more of a southerly, the temperatures will start to climb back where they should be really for this time of year. Out of Thursday into Friday, we've still got that weak weather front into the far northwest. There's a ridge of high pressure desperately hanging on, and because the winds are a southwesterly, we've got the milder colours, the yellows and the russets pushing right across the country, which means that temperatures, again, if you've got the sunshine, will be a little higher. So on Friday, eastern Scotland will see some sunnier moments, the east of the Pennines as well. Here we'll see temperatures into the low 20s, a little bit cooler out to the west, and there will be some cloud and some showery outbreaks of rain by the end of the day. Into Saturday, winds stay light. We'll be chasing cloud amounts around again. On the whole, it will be a dry story, maybe a little bit murky along those exposed west coast, but again, those temperatures ranging from 15 to 21 degrees. But look at this, by the time we head into Sunday, the jet stream is going to move and head to the north. So it'll be the north of the UK, we're on the south side of the jet, the warmer side of the jet, and that's going to allow an area of high pressure to build and potentially stay with us to close out the month of June. Now, still a lot of uncertainty about this. You'll need to keep abreast of the forecasts before you get too excited, but it does look reasonably promising. And that means that yes, we will continue to see a few scattered sharp showers into the far northwest, but on the whole, it will be drier, settled and a little warmer than it's been so far for this month.